Hey there, this is Tracy, and it is time for our mindfulness chocolate experiment. I must say, this is my very favorite lesson always. So, first off, get a nice piece of dark chocolate. I love this one. It's a endangered species, dark chocolate, 72% cocoa, and it is really good. So anyways, what I want you to do is get 2 pieces of dark chocolate. If you don't have 2 pieces of dark chocolate, pause the video and then come back when you do. But assuming that you have it right in front of you, I want you to go ahead and unwrap what you have. Okay, you're going to need 2 pieces. 1, 2. Take the first one and eat it. Okay, all done. Now, take the there. That way also the calories, they last longer. The pleasure, it lasts longer. So slow down, smell the roses, be mindful, and be happier. We'll see you on the next video.